Dear students, now look at the one of the important dynamics and dynamic tool I would say in the inventory management systems. That is radio frequency identification, RFIDs इन्हें कहा जाता है. आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ किए जाते हैं और inventory control systems में, inventory management में they have become one of the integral parts, especially in today's world. So what RFIDs are, they are actually successor to the barcode for tracking individual units of good. Barcode system की एक outgrowth है. So RFID does not require a direct line of sight to read a tag. एक इन्वेंट्री को रीड करने के लिए लाइक बारकोड उसको बारकोड रीडर के सामने लेके जाने की जरूरत नहीं है RFID को. And information on the tag is updatable. And you can actually update the information on the tag without actually taking it near the barcode reader. तो barcode reader की एक outgrowth, उसकी एक evolutionary form है आपके पास RFID. Look at this figure so that you can actually clarify the concept of RFID. RFID, if you see, there is RFID tags which are known as transponders. Then you have readers. Then you have information infrastructure, that is the local ERP server or any software that is actually managing the inventory for you. So if you see RFID tags or the transponders, there are items, boxes and pallet crates, and these have RFID attached to them. आपको radio frequency उसके ऊपर symbols उसके नजर भी आ रहे हैं. Then you have the readers. Readers are what? They have handheld readers, shelf readers or fixed portal readers device hai, which will actually capture that radio frequency. Then afterwards, this would be stored in the RFID middleware or ERP server, and it would be a part of the database. So wherever is your inventory, you don't need to actually take out that inventory in order to read the tag, which was actually the property of the barcode reader. In fact, you can have that readers anywhere and you can actually capture that radio frequency and you can update like price information or the expiry date of that inventory and whatever inventory you want to do, and it would be stored in the databases. वो आपके database और ERP system में store भी होती जाएगी. So that is the basic functionality of RFID. Components of RFID are the tag, the computer chip, and an antenna for wireless communication. Then there is a reader, which you have seen in the figure as well. Handheld or fixed position RFID devices that read the tags. Then you have the communication network that will connect the readers to to transmit inventory information to the ERP or enterprise information system. Then you have the RFID software that actually manages the collection, synchronization, and communication of the data with systems and store the information in the database. वो जो database में आपने उसको update किया है या information को enter करवाया है, read करवाया है, that would be becoming the part of the database through that RFID software. It actually automates the supply chain. Yes, inventory is one of the drivers of supply chain, important drivers of supply chain, and you can automate your inventory through RFIDs. आप RFID के through automate कर सकते हैं. Automate means what? Real time changes in your inventory, you can actually look at that. Which type of inventory has gone down? Which type of inventory the stock is more than my need? Or which type of obsolete inventory is with me? Such kind of information can easily be captured through RFIDs. What type of inventory has been more frequent in this week? जिसकी utilization ज़्यादा हुई है इस week में, ज़्यादा consume हुई है, ज़्यादा मेरे inventory मेरे warehouse से गई है या मेरे retail outlet से गई है. That can be actually be automated. You can actually get that real time information at the real sense. वो real time में आपके पास वो information मौजूद होगी. So it actually automates the supply chain. Material management में it's the important part. Goods automatically counted and logged as they enter the supply warehouse, as they enter or as they leave, both scenarios. Manufacturing में assembly instructions encoded on RFID tags provide information to computer controlled assembly devices. What you need to do about such items or such items एक assembly line में where they would be used, that information can be held by the RFID. Similarly, for the distribution centers, shipment leaving your distribution center automatically updates ERP to trigger a replenishment order and notify customer for delivery tracking. That means आपके पास एक shipment चली गई है, that will actually ये डायरेक्टली अपडेट कर देगी आपकी ERP को और ट्रिगर कर देगी कि एक रिप्लेनिशमेंट ऑर्डर, दिस level of inventory has actually gone down, and if the replenishment time is due, you need more inventory, आपको मजीद इन्वेंट्री की ज़रूरत है. ये सब कुछ ट्रिगर हो जाएगा और आपकी डिलीवरी को भी ट्रैक करेगा. That RFID, you can actually track your delivery with the help of that RFID. Retail stores, no checkout lines as scanner link RFID tags goods in shipping cart with buyer credit cards. आप लिंक भी कर सकते हैं. It also gives the security. RFID security भी provide करते हैं. No one can take your inventory out of your retail outlet if it is RFID tagged. जब तक आप उस RFID को उसके साथ untag ना कर दें, it cannot go out. So RFID has multiple functions in manufacturing, in retail outlets, in distribution centers, in your warehouses, and it is one of the dynamics, more integral dynamics of inventory right now. Thank you.